Hey guys, and welcome to another episode. Yes, we got involved in an accident, and yes, we need to fix it in a matter of weeks. We've got the Volksworld show coming up, and if you've seen my previous video, you'll know that this happened. We need to repair all of this. The metal was so badly distorted, it was easier just to cut it all out. As you can see now, we've just sanded down all of this area, got all the filler out of it, so we can then deal with cutting this panel out. I'm going to start to make up a new panel to weld into place, hopefully not catching fire to the stuff inside, so we'll kind of shield this off and then get on and get it welded back up. The keen-eyed people may also notice we've managed to pull this pillar out and straighten out the door. There's a little bit of flex in it, but we're going to work the last bits and pieces with a bit of filler. That'll be good as new. If you haven't already done so, like and subscribe. Well, there we go, stage 2 is complete. A metal panel has been made. That's now all in there. As you just saw, I joggled it, so right around the edge. It's got a nice finish, so it should sit slightly prouder in the centre and then drop down behind the original steel. Right, so the plan now is get a couple of tack welds around this, and then I'll push it from the inside and tack weld it again from the inside, so it's all nice and level, and then we'll run round welding the panel in. Well, I think that went fairly well. We have a panel welded in. The door is near enough straight. Doesn't look too bad. A little bit of work down the bottom. We've still got a little bit of rippling going on across the top here, but I'm hoping we can pull that out as well. I think the next stage is I'm going to give it a skim of fiberglass in all the joints to fill that, and then we can start seeing that the shape is coming back. But we're winning. Well, moving in the right direction. Right, so now we give it a quick degrease, de-dust, so I can get on to the next stage of putting in some fiberglass filler all round these joints. And then I've roughed up everywhere where we're going to skim it with filler so it bonds to what's already on there. Normally you take everything off and start again, but we just don't have the time. So we're going to work with what we've got, clean all this up, clean all them joints up. It's had a coat of the epoxy primer. So it's that stuff there. So all the joints and all the bare metal has had a coat, and now I'll skim over all these joins. You get some on there just to build it out a little bit. A second ago I did just knock out a little bit more on here off camera, just so we got that getting it's a bit straighter now. And then we just got some deeper recesses like that bit there where it's been hit. But this all is nice, it's not flexing too much. It's like the original panel. And by putting that extra little joggled lip, it's actually strengthened it as well. So yeah, let's get this mixed up and get it on there. So there we have it. First skim coat is on. That's got to go off. So I think I'm gonna have a cup of tea. It's what? Just gone 10 o'clock in the night on a Friday night. But needs must, we've got to get this done. Get a skim coat of filler over the whole lot. We can start building it out. Doing well. Well, it looks like the filler fairies have been in town. No, the camera didn't record. I set it up to record me putting first skim of filler in and it didn't work. But there we go, guys. We're starting to get very straight. We're moving in the right direction. Well, that's enough for this episode. If you haven't already done so, it really helps us if you hit subscribe. Also, give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. Comment if you've done anything different. Let us know. Why are we missing headlights? Check us in the next episode. Cheers, guys.